Most men don't need years to change their life. They need one focused month. 30 days of discipline, 30 days of clarity, 30 days of doing what they've been avoiding. Because the truth is, you don't feel stuck because you can't change. You feel stuck because you're inconsistent. Same habits, same routine, same mindset. If you change those even for 30 days, you become a different man. Here's how to reinvent yourself in the next 30 days. Step 1. Cut the noise. Days 1 to 5. Before you build anything new, you remove what's holding you back. Most men try to add discipline without removing distractions. That never works. For the next 5 days, reduce social media, cut unnecessary scrolling, avoid things that drain your focus, clean your environment. You're not trying to be perfect, you're creating space, because clarity comes when noise is removed. Step 2. Build non-negotiable habits. Days 6 to 15. Now you build structure. Not 10 habits, not a complicated routine, just 3 non-negotiables. Train your body, work on your goal, control your time. Every day, no excuses. Even if it's small, you do it. Because discipline isn't about intensity, it's about consistency. When you keep promises to yourself, your confidence starts to rebuild. Step 3. Upgrade your mindset. Days 16 to 25. Now your actions are improving. It's time to fix your thinking. Pay attention to your inner voice. No more. I'll do it later. I'm not ready. This is too hard. Replace it with, I handle it. I finish what I start. I don't quit. Feed your mind with better inputs. Read, learn, spend less time consuming garbage. Because your mindset shapes your identity, and your identity shapes your results. Step 4. Lock in your identity. Days 26 to 30. This is where most people fail. They go back to old habits. You won't. For the last 5 days, focus on one thing. Act like the man you're becoming. Not sometimes. Every day. Show up even when you don't feel like it. Stay disciplined even when it's boring. Keep your standards high. You're not trying anymore. You're deciding. This is who you are now. For the next 30 days, no excuses, no distractions, no going back. Train daily, work daily, stay disciplined daily. Track it, commit to it. Because 1 month of focus can create momentum for years. Reinvention doesn't take years. It takes decision plus discipline. Cut the noise, build habits, upgrade your mindset, lock in your identity. Do this for 30 days and you won't recognize yourself. If you're ready to change, subscribe. This channel is for people who want discipline, clarity, and real self-improvement. No shortcuts, no excuses. Until next time.